Hello!
Okay, we are at Erawan National Park. Okay, today we're gonna trek the waterfall. There are 7 tiers, so hopefully we can reach the last tier. And we're also going for a picnic at the waterfall. Okay, we are almost at the last waterfall, number 7. Okay, and this place has very well maintained hiking trail. So yeah, all sorts of people from different age group can really come and enjoy this place.
We are done checking out the 7 levels of waterfall, and now we are back at waterfall 2 to have our lunch. And here's the view and food.
We are back at the temple Wat Lela in Kanchanaburi. Yeah, just gonna pray for smooth travels and gonna visit Black Cat. Okay, technically we can stay up to 5 days in the national park because we already paid 300 baht each entrance fee. Yeah, that will save us some accommodation cost, but we really don't like the place. So we're just gonna get some laundry done back in Kanchanaburi. Then we're gonna head out later to another campsite towards the west, closer to where we will need to go eventually. Okay, I think we are at D.I.N camping now. There's a guy in front with the light. Okay, we are at D.I.N campsite now, and we're gonna rest here for the night So the west side of Thailand is always like overcast and raining, so electricity will be scarce because our solar can't charge properly. So these few days we will mainly be eating out So what we doing now?
Just heated up the mushroom soup that we bought from the Kanchanaburi night market just now. And we'll also be having the kaya toast, peppery eggs, and some random other eggs that is wrapped with wonton skin. That's all for tonight. Bye!
Hey, morning. Today is day 82 and we'll start off with the review of D.I.N camping campsite. Okay, this campsite is located west of Kanchanaburi towards the Pilok area already. Okay, and first off, you notice that our van is parked here on flat gravel surface. Okay, so you have a good night's sleep for it being flat. Okay, and okay, right beside the camp there you see power socket. Okay, and the power socket actually located everywhere in this campsite. There's another one over there. Okay, and across the small stream, okay, where you can also camp, okay, there are multiple power sockets as well. See? One over there, another one. Okay, this is the outdoor sink and washing area. Okay, from what the owner told us, right, these are all filtered water that is ready for drinking. It comes from Philips brand water filter. Okay, and beside the washing area is the area to relax. Okay, we'll head to the toilet now. Okay, this campsite has a very cute toilet. Okay, there's this outdoor sink and mirror. Okay, and then there's a single hut with the shower facility inside. Okay. Yeah, see, it has comes with very nice build, nice tiles. Okay, toilet. Okay, this is where you can hang your clothes, and then there's even heater in the toilet. Yeah. Yeah, so very clean bathing area lah. Yeah, this campsite is also cooling at night. Not like super chilling, but cool enough and slightly breezy. Okay, the owners of this campsite, they can also communicate to you via Facebook text in English. Yeah, so foreigners like us, right? Yeah, it's easy lah to communicate and get details from this campsite. Okay, so overall it's a very good campsite, and now we'll be packing up and heading off towards the Thong Pha Phu National Park. Wow.
So guys, we are driving to Thong Pha Phu National Park, and we found a viewpoint which has incredible view. Look at it. Welcome to Pilok.
This one is the walking street of Pilok. We come later. It's very nice.
And this is the place where we're gonna camp tonight with no toilet. Stealth camping again. Look at the view though.
Yeah, Pilok has very nice colorful stuff you don't normally see in any of the night markets out there. We are entering Pilok's shopping street. Chopping board only for 50 baht. Solid wood. This nicer one only 140 baht. But they're all a bit too big for Vito. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we are preparing for the hike tomorrow. Yeah, so the van now is in a mess lah. Okay, but good thing is we got a dog to accompany us. Hello, doggy.